How are you all? Today, what is the day? Today is Earth Day. And why do we celebrate Earth Day? Earth is a planet where we live on. And Earth has land, water, and air. Air, can you see? Breathe in, breathe out. So, to live, we need all these things. We need land, we need water, we need air to breathe in. Now, the question, why do we celebrate Earth Day? This is our planet and we live on this planet. To save our planet, we need to save our Earth and we need to save our environment. And how can we do that? We need to understand this. There are 3 magical R's which we should use, that is reduce, recycle and reuse. So what is reduce, reuse and recycle? I will tell you all the 3 things. Reduce means not purchasing the things which we don't require. Unnecessary things we should not purchase. Such as whenever we are going to the market, we should always carry cloth bags and not use poly bags. We should not use poly bags because it is contaminating our earth. And we should always reuse the paper. We should not throw the paper in the dustbin. We can use one-sided printed papers. And then comes what is recycle. Whatever is made up of plastic, whatever is made up of different things, we can use it in different ways. कर सकते हो ना आप? कैसे कर सकते हो? देखो मैम ने इसमें प्लांट लगा दिया, ये प्लास्टिक का था, मैम ने इसमें प्लांट लगा दिया. So there are lot many things you can do. Imagine, think and tell me what is the way of reusing the things, recycling the things. And you should always save electricity. Again, it is an example of reuse. Means whenever you don't require light, whenever you are not watching television, whenever you are not working on the computer, switch off the fans, switch off your television, switch off your computers. This is example of reduce. If you save energy, it will be used for you only. You should save paper. Why? Because if you are wasting lot of paper, what will happen? What will happen? You are going to cut lots and lots and lots of trees, and which is going to harm our earth. And this is our planet. We need to protect our planet. We are the ones who can save our environment. And last but not the least, we should always save water. Water is a very precious thing for us. And if we are going to waste water, what is going to happen? The day will come that the water will not be left for us. So, today we all take a pledge. We'll ask our parents that, Mummy, Papa, whenever you are going to market, you will be taking the cloth bags and say no to the plastic bags. And always switch off the fans, lights, whenever it is not required. Don't waste water. Okay? So, once again, Happy Earth Day. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Today is a Earth Day. Earth is a planet which we live on. Why do we live on Earth, children? We live on Earth because there is air, water and land. Earth is a 3rd planet. Children, we should save our Earth. How do you save our Earth? We can save our Earth by growing more and more trees, because they gives us fruits, vegetables, pulses, cereals, medicines, paper, gum, rubber, greenery and oxygen. So children, we should grow more and more trees.
Hello children, today I will tell you how to recycle few things. You know recycle क्या होता है? Recycle means किसी एक चीज को अलग डिजाइन में ट्रांसफर करके उसको यूज करना. Okay, so through recycle we can save our earth and we should try it more and more. हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कोशिश करनी चाहिए हम अपने घर पे पड़ी हुई चीज़ों को रिसाइकल करें. So let's start. We need I have this one empty box, as you can see, carton empty box, newspaper, old newspaper, glue, ribbon, scissor, and this hole punching machine. Okay, so let's start. All we need to do, first we will wrap this box in this old newspaper. Okay, we will apply some glue. As you can see, children, I prepared an empty carton box in a carry box. I transfer this in a carry box. So this box we can use as a carry bag. Okay, so like this, so many things are at your home that you can use and recycle it. Try to recycle more and more things and save the earth. Okay, happy Earth Day.
Hello kids, today I will tell you about reuse. Reuse means continue using the product you have purchased, reusable rather than disposable, use refillable containers. So kids, जैसे मैं ये बिस्किट का एक बॉक्स लाई थी. अब मैं क्या करूँगी, इस बॉक्स को मैंने फेंका नहीं, मैंने क्या करूँगी, इसको खाली करके मैं इसमें अपना नमकीन भरूँगी. मैंने इसको फेंका नहीं, मैं इसको आप रीयूज कर रही हूँ. देखो मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, रीयूज. ये हमारा रीयूज हुआ. मेरा ये बॉक्स भी खाली हो गया है. अब मैं इस बॉक्स में भी अपने दूसरे और बिस्किट्स रख के मैं इसको भी रीयूज़ करूँगी. तो हमें ऐसे कंटेनर्स और ये सारी चीज़ें हमें फेंकने नहीं चाहिए, हमें वापस से इसको रीयूज़ करना चाहिए. जैसे मैं मार्केट से पहले एक बॉक्स लेके आई थी चॉकलेट का, वो भी मैंने फेंका नहीं और इसमें मैंने अपना कुछ क्राफ्ट का सामान रख लिया. सो दीज आर द वेज we can save the earth. Okay, bye.
Good morning, children. Today is Earth Day. Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April every year. Earth is our planet. It is our home. It is our responsibility to protect it. Today I want to discuss about plastic. We should say no to plastic bags. But why? Why we say no? Plastic bags should be banned completely as it is a threat to the environment. They pollute the soil and affect the growth of vegetables. Plastic bags thrown in the garbage dump and eaten by the animals, which may choke their respiratory system, causing to death. Plastic bags जो थ्रो कर दिए जाते हैं, एनिमल्स उनको खाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से उनका रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम पूरा चोक हो जाता है, जिसकी वजह से उनकी डेथ हो जाती है. सो से नो टू प्लास्टिक बैग इज द बेस्ट वे टू अवॉइड दिस टाइप ऑफ सिचुएशन. वी कैन सेव आवर एनवायरनमेंट बाय डूइंग दिस. इट इज बेटर टू यूज जूट बैग और पेपर बैग व्हेन वी गो फॉर शॉपिंग. सो from today, children, we should say no to plastic bags. Thank you.
Hi kids, I am a water drop. That means no life without water. But now people are polluting me by throwing garbages, releasing pollution from factories in lakes, rivers, ponds and oceans. That's why I am polluted, which will create many problems. So please stop polluting me. Thank you. So kids, you know electricity is very important for us. Nowadays we are using electricity everywhere. We are using electricity in our fans, in our tube lights, in our remotes, in our television, in our smart toys also, right? You have smart toys at your home. So if you want electricity for long time, you need to save the electricity. But now the question is how you can save the electricity. I will tell you the ways to save the electricity, okay? Switch off all the lights and fans when you are going out of the room. Use reusable batteries for your toys. Use LED lights at your homes. So you all got to know how to save electricity? So you all will save the electricity from now, right? So these are the ways we can save our earth. Save earth and save life. Bye-bye.